For many Hilliard homeowners, upgrading a front or patio door is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a smart investment in convenience, comfort, and long-term durability. As busy families juggle work, school, and daily routines, the appeal of modern, low-maintenance replacement doors has grown rapidly. These doors offer beauty, performance, and minimal upkeep, making them a perfect fit for today's fast-paced lifestyles. Here's why families across Hilliard are increasingly choosing low-maintenance replacement doors and how these upgrades can benefit your home for years to come. Minimal upkeep for busy households. One of the biggest reasons homeowners prefer low-maintenance doors is simple. They don't require constant attention. Older wood doors often need regular sanding, painting, sealing, and repairs to stay in good condition, tasks that few families have time for. Modern replacement doors eliminate these headaches with durable, fade-resistant finishes, materials that don't warp, crack, or rot, surfaces that are easy to wipe clean, rust-resistant hardware. Vinyl, fiberglass, and steel doors are especially popular because they hold their appearance with little more than occasional cleaning, no time-consuming upkeep required. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Hilliard families also appreciate how modern replacement doors help keep their homes comfortable in all seasons. Ohio weather can swing from freezing winters to warm, humid summers, and older doors often let in drafts or allow indoor air to escape. Low-maintenance doors usually include insulated foam cores, weather-resistant seals, energy-efficient glass inserts, precision-fit frames that eliminate gaps. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce strain on your HVAC system, and lower monthly energy bills, savings that add up quickly for growing families. Better security. For peace of mind, security is a top priority for homeowners, and replacement doors offer major improvements over older models. Modern low-maintenance doors are not only more durable, they're built with enhanced safety in mind. Security-enhancing features include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant materials, stronger hinges, and hardware. Families feel more confident knowing their home's main entry points are sturdy, secure, and designed to resist forced entry. Stylish designs that enhance curb appeal. A new door can completely transform the look of your home. Whether families want a sleek, modern entryway or warm, traditional appearance, low-maintenance doors come in countless styles, colors, and finishes. Popular options include wood-look fiberglass doors, smooth contemporary steel doors, full glass or half-glass designs, decorative glass inserts, and side lights. Because the finishes resist fading, peeling, and weather damage, your door stays beautiful with minimal effort, keeping your home looking fresh year-round. Long-term durability that saves money. Hilliard's seasonal weather can be tough on older wooden doors. Moisture can cause swelling, cracking, and mold, while sunlight can fade paint and weaken materials. Low-maintenance replacement doors are designed to withstand these challenges without deteriorating. Their long-lasting durability means fewer repairs, less repainting or refinishing, longer lifespan compared to traditional doors, better long-term value for your investment. Most families find that the durability alone makes replacement doors a smart financial decision. Increased home value and buyer appeal. If you plan to sell your home in the future, a modern, low-maintenance door is a standout upgrade that boosts curb appeal and increases your property's value. Buyers love the convenience, energy efficiency, and stylish look of updated doors, making your home more appealing in a competitive market. A quieter, more comfortable home. Many replacement doors also offer excellent sound insulation, reducing outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or busy streets. For families with children, home offices, or entertainment spaces, this added quiet can make a big difference in everyday comfort. Final thoughts. Modern, low-maintenance replacement doors offer the perfect combination of convenience, durability, efficiency, and style, making them an ideal choice for busy Hilliard families. With less upkeep, better energy savings, enhanced security, and long-lasting performance, these doors upgrade both the appearance and functionality of your home.